Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Always a joy having you here. You won't believe what I saw at the store. It was these cans of Campbell's soup, grilled cheese and tomato soup. It's soup that tastes like grilled cheese mixed with tomato soup. Is that wild or what? Well, I'm going to be using these and making a grilled cheese and tomato soup casserole. I got a sample and I'm so curious. Let's see. It's very unique. It's very tomato soupy, but the cheese flavor, it's a very unique cheese flavor. Let's see. But I am noticing like a breadiness as well. We'll see if this works in the casserole. It's kind of like a cheesy pasta sauce. It definitely has a spaghetti-o feeling as well. So I'm gonna need to butter 12 slices of bread. I'm gonna push 6 slices into the bottom of a baking dish. Okay, really just 5 slices. I need those 2 cans of soup put in a bowl and 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Let's mix that together. I'm gonna mix in some pepper too. Spread half of that mixture over evenly on that bread. I'm gonna layer 10 slices of Colby cheese on top. Spread the remaining soup mix. And 10 more slices of cheese. And then 5 more slices of bread, butter side up. And then you just cook it at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Grilled cheese, tomato soup casserole. It's very cheesy. Love the crunchiness of that bread. But it totally is that nice mix of grilled cheese and tomato soup in one casserole. Creative ideas. So you do not have to use that specialty soup to make this casserole. You can just use regular tomato soup and it'll taste just as great. Why did the man buy 2 jars of cheese sauce? He bought an extra one just in queso emergency.